Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create those social media AI trending images. And right now, we're gonna use two websites, first of which is gonna be Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E if I'm not mistaken. And with this is gonna be the link, you should only copy www.bing.com up to images or create. You can change it to create. And with that being said, this should be the website you should be seeing also on your end. It's basically any AI tool out there. There are other creators output right here that you can use as templates. But for now, we're gonna go straight with the prompt bar. So the secret or the tip on this tutorial will be how specific your prompt would be. So let me just open my notepad. So from here, you can post a video. You can copy my prompt. It's perfectly fine for me. I'm just gonna paste it right there and click on create. Now, while it's creating, I want to let you know that there are the previous instances I have here. For example, let's check on this one. As you can see right here, these are the things I made earlier. And then right now, let's wait for my own to finish, the new created one. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is now going to be my new result. As you can see, I have it right here. I have for result. Now, if you notice, if I open my notepad, regarding the prompt, I have it very specifically by McCoy and Facebook. Those are the keywords here. That's why I created the McCoy, especially the name right there, and Facebook. If you're gonna ask me, this one right here is the best result right there. Okay, again, this is the McCoy Frank username, the Facebook social media, and basically that's it. We have 4 results to work here. You can either save it. For example, you want to download it to your PC, you have it there right now. If you want to customize it, this is another thing to do here. For example, if you click customize, once you click on customize, you'll see this landing page basically is Microsoft Designer. You can customize the image from here and out. Everything you want to do here is perfectly good. Especially if you're familiar with Canva, you won't have a hard time navigating this one. But let me just go back to Bing. I want to focus that again, guys. The key here would be your prompt. Let's try another one for the sake of the discussion. Let me just open my notepad right there. Click on this one. Now for this one, I think this can be Instagram. Remove this one, paste the new one, and simply click on create. Now while it's waiting, I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. That took around 30 seconds, I think. And basically this is now our prompt. Let me just click on this one. So again, guys, the key point is, I already frequently say this, the username is going to be the key point on how specific you can be. So I put here Instagram, I put McCoyFrank2K, and that's what I'm saying right now. For example, you want to copy my prompt and then change the username. Let me just change this. Let's just say, for example, James2K. Simply click on create, and you'll see here right now, the username will be changed, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is now James2K. If you see it right here, since I've changed the username to James rather than from the earlier one McCoy, as you can see right there, it's now James2K. Pretty good, right? Even though you're saying McCoy here because this is the original username, I have James2K right there. McCoy2K Frank is going to be on the bottom section of my username of Instagram. Basically, that's it. Make sure you change everything, make it synchronized, and you'll be good to go. So that's going to be Bing, Microsoft Editor for you. Let's go with the next one. Next one will be Copilot. And this is the link, copilot.microsoft.com. And make sure you're on more creative, because by previews, or by default rather, it's going to be on more balance. I suggest going to more creative, and basically the same thing. Let me just copy my prompt here, paste it right there, simply click on enter. And by the way, guys, just want to let you know that Copilot and Bing is technically the same. Even though there's a different website, they're perfectly the same AI. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is now going to be our results. Now please take note, remember when I say that they're the same as the Microsoft Bing, because once I click on this one, for example, I'm going to click on the second one, it would take me back to Microsoft Bing. So the idea here is that the AI powered by Bing and Copilot are basically the same. So I suggest, if you're going to ask me personally, stay with Microsoft Bing. Anyway, there is a bonus tip for you. So as you see here, the top right section, if you click on it, you'll have access to Copilot right here anywhere right now on Microsoft Edge. You can simply type in your prompt here, for example, click on it, and wait for it to finish. Even though you're inside Bing, let me just go back to Bing, you can still access the Copilot right here. So you don't even have to go to the website itself. Simply open your Microsoft Edge, and top right corner, you'll see this one. And right now it's generating. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. These are now the results. Again, if you click on them, you'll just go back to Bing. So before I end this video, there is a button to download. Simply click on this one and you'll be good to go. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.